Hey guys, I got people contacting me all over the place from TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, all over social media. And they're all saying the same thing. James, help me make more money. Please contact me right now. My WhatsApp number is below this video. So in the description below, there's my WhatsApp number. Send me a WhatsApp and say, James, help me. I want to get on a live call. Now, I'll respond within 24 to 48 hours, don't worry, and then I'll say, hey, ask me questions, and I'll tell you exactly how I'm making money. 7 different streams of income. Let me explain. 7 different ways you can start making money in one day. Number 1, you can start making money with TikTok. I will show you how to start making money with TikTok. Click on the link in the description below, how to make money with TikTok. It says make money with TikTok, make money today. Click on that and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, the second way you can start making money is with YouTube. So whether you have a YouTube channel or not, if you're not making money with YouTube every day, in the link in the description below, click on YouTube, how to make money starting today. And I'll show you exactly how to start making money with YouTube today. How about $500 to $1,500 starting today per day for the rest of your life? Click on the link in the description below for YouTube. Okay, the other way you can start making money, okay, is with Bitcoin. You can buy little percentages of Bitcoin. You can buy $10, $100, $1,000 a piece of Bitcoin, and then let that Bitcoin price go up. It's going up like crazy, guys. Bitcoin will go to 300,000 plus, they're saying, by the end of 2021. So you can get your hands on a little Bitcoin, start investing with my Bitcoin money pool. So in the link in the description below, click Bitcoin, how to make money starting today. I can put you in business in one day making money in returns, high ROI percentages on your cash with Bitcoin today. Click on the link in the description below called Bitcoin. Okay, another way you can start making money, guys, it's endless, okay, is with Amazon. Amazon is the richest company in the world. All you have to do is sign up to become an Amazon affiliate partner. Click on the Amazon link below, and I will teach you how to make money with Amazon. It's just crazy, guys. You can make money so many different ways, okay? If you're not making $10,000 a month, click on all of my descriptions, or do this. If you really want help, and you want help fast, and you want to make money today, or you need to make more money starting today, you want to WhatsApp me. Below this video in the description, there is a WhatsApp number that's direct to me. I will respond within 1 or 2 days, and I will get on the phone with you live and help you, okay? Now, I can't guarantee I can help you, but I sure as hell can show you how I'm making 7 different streams of income daily on autopilot while I'm sleeping, and I'll show you how to do it on one live WhatsApp call. Give me a WhatsApp right now. Let's talk live. Okay, the other way you can make money is with one of the #1 companies online right now called SamCart. SamCart is where you go set up a website. It's one page where people go watch a video, they click on a button, and they send you money. They buy your product or service. If you don't have a product, I have the product. So I can set you up with SamCart, one page. You send people to that page from social media, and then they buy a product or service from you, and you make money. I can do it and set you up in one day. Click on the link that says SamCart, how to make money starting today. Another way you can make money, guys, and I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing to make money every single day from the Caribbean. I live on the beach. I do this 24 hours a day. The money comes in 7 different ways every day. I'm talking $200 payments, $500 payments, $1,500 payments, $5,000 payments, $100 payments, $50 payments. But at the end of the day, it all adds up to like $4,000 or $5,000 a day. Sometimes we have $10,000 days. Guys, I've had $28,000 profit in one day. WhatsApp me right now and say, James, help me, I'm in. I will get on the phone with you live. But make sure you click on the link below that says my #1 millionaire way to make money. Millionaire, #1 money making way. And I promise you I'll help you. Send me a WhatsApp right now, get on a live call. Guys, within 15 minutes, you will say, James, I'm in. I guarantee it. I will put you in business in one day on one phone call. My personal WhatsApp number is in the description below this video. If you need help right now, and you've been watching my videos on TikTok, on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Snapchat, all over social media, guys. I'm all over the place. I get hundreds of people contacting me every day, sometimes over 1,000 a day. We can't even handle all the business coming in right now. But I want you to WhatsApp me right now. If you want personal help, I will teach you and show you within 1 hour my 7 streams of income system. That's right. So there's 7 different things I'm doing online right now to make money, okay? And I can put you in business in 1 hour. So don't wait. You don't need to go buy a product. I'll sell you an online course, no problem. Click the other links in the description. But if you want personal one-on-one private mentoring help, within 1 hour I can have you set up to start making these 7 streams of income. That's right. Guys, social media is so powerful right now. If you're not currently making at least $10,000 a month, you need to get on a call with me right now. It takes 5-10 minutes. I answer your questions. I show you exactly what I'm doing. And then I show you what not to do. There's 99 ways to do things wrong. And there's one way to do it right. I have the system. So as of right now, we're talking about April 2021. If you are listening to this video right now and you're not making $10,000 a month, period, no bullshit. If you're not making over $10,000 a month, you need to contact me right now. WhatsApp me. If you don't have WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp.com, download WhatsApp. It's the #1 app in the world for talking to people all over the world for free. There's no charge. It's amazing. Facebook owns it. WhatsApp me right now. Get on the phone with me and let me show you how to get your business up and running within 1 hour, making 7 different types of money every single day on autopilot. Got it? WhatsApp me now. Talk to you soon. Love to help you. Keep watching my videos.